YouTube? What's up, y'all? Addict Trader Effects back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out to all those subscribed to my channel. Shout out if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? You keep coming back. I know you're coming back because it's telling me you're coming back, but you ain't hitting the subscribe button. Just hit that subscribe button. Smash it up, man. Smash that like button. If you enjoy my technical analysis, I got technical analysis on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Volt. Okay, and if you guys, if there's any time you guys can request technical analysis on another crypto, I got you. Just hit it. Let me know in the comments down below, and yeah, I'll get that done for y'all. We're gonna do some technical analysis on like I said, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Volt. We're gonna figure out where Volt is headed. And then, I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm 70 subscribers away from 500 subscribers. When I do reach that 500 subscriber mark, there is a $200 giveaway. So, let's you know what I'm saying, let's get it up. Get y'all some free money. It might not be a lot to y'all. It might be a lot to somebody. It might help somebody out. It could add to your vote bag. It could, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so, guys, I just also want to say that there are a couple people that are commenting, that Volt is a scam, Volt ain't doing nothing, the rest of the cryptos are pushing. If Volt was a scam, right? If you knew about Volt and you did your research on Volt, then you would understand that Volt has been through the roughest part of the bear market, right? And it hasn't even seen the bull run yet. So for y'all to say that Volt is a scam and we're not even in the bull run, then y'all really don't know how crypto works. Y'all don't really know how the market works. Y'all really are not even knowledgeable on the crypto project Volt Inu. Maybe you got in at the top and all of a sudden it dropped. You know what I'm saying? For those who are real ones, for those who've been in it and know what's up, shout out to you, man. All right, for holding strong. Because if you understand how the market works and you understand that we're technically still bearish in a sense, but not in a sense. Okay, 2024, I feel like, and I've said this multiple times in my videos, that the bull run will kick off probably more than likely is going to kick off in 2024. We got Bitcoin halving. We got the date already, April 24th. That's not far away at all if you think about it. You know what I'm saying? Look what Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing. Yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum are pushing up. Cool. Volt's pushing down. Listen, Volt pushed up for days on end, right? It has to come back and correct the move that it did. Okay, there's no catalyst, there's no listing announcements, there's nothing that can stop it from doing what it's doing right now. Okay, if that makes sense. So, and if you're too scared to invest your money, then this isn't for you. This ain't the game for you. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to take risk in life. And that's why you got to be smart on how much you invest, how much you risk, because you never know where the market could go, right? But the crypto market has been showing signs that it's starting to push up. Slowly but surely, it's moving up. Okay, Bitcoin hit 44,500 and it's pushing. We're gonna look at it, but stop calling Volt a scam. There's been other projects that literally have flatlined. Volt is not flatlining, okay? Volt is doing what it needs to do. That's the whole point of this conversation that I've been trying to tell y'all right now. If you see Volt flatline and much volume in it, it ain't been doing nothing, something's wrong, right? The developer, Botoshi, is one hell of a developer, right, y'all? He can't control the market. He can't control how Volt moves. So, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and get straight to the video and get straight to the technical analysis. So let's do it.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the...
All right, y'all. So, quick disclaimer. No, I am not sponsored by Vote, Inu, or any other crypto project for that matter, right? Obviously, because I only really speak about Vote. I'm just an investor in it. I'm just an investor. Okay, so I'm not trying to promote nothing that someone's paying me for. I'm not making money off this on the side from the developer or the team or whatever. Okay, I'm not part of the Vote team. I just believe in this project. Okay. So with that being said, this video is not financial advice, strictly for educational purposes only. Okay, it's just gonna be a quick little update. All right, and let's get to it, y'all. So Vote is sitting at 602642. Okay, it's currently still in this box. All right, it would have to have a close below this box. All right, for it to continue pushing down. Now, guys, let me go ahead and blow this up. All right. Listen, I said it. If you're new to my videos, you can go back to my videos, watch them. All right. Smash the like button if you do. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm gonna keep saying that, man. Listen, when we were right around here, I said that I felt that Vote needed to come down and correct this move here. Okay, I'm gonna keep repeating it. All right, I gave you guys kind of like yes, we're pushing up. Price is not gonna continue pushing up forever. All right, and not only that, you don't want price to see how it pushed up for all these days without a real pullback until it got like right around this level, but then it continued pushing up. What happens when something pulls and goes up, or go down, down? Eventually, what goes up must come down, right? What goes down goes up, right? It eventually is going to pull back. It needs a pullback, okay? Meaning, for Vote, for this instance, that Vote pushed up, buying pressure eventually exhausted itself, okay? Volume died down at a certain key level, okay? So it's not that the project is horrible. No, you just not gonna have straight green candles pushing on up, okay? And I felt like I gave a not like a warn, not like a heads up. I gave a heads up that price more than likely was probably gonna come back down and retrace. It has to do that. It has to correct itself, guys. It's perfectly healthy. It's better that it does it now, right? Than it pushing up. Yeah, PMPY has been pushing up, right? You know, we can go to that crypto right here, right? PMPY, okay? How long is it gonna push up for? Okay? Eventually, it did have a little minor pullback here, okay? And apparently it's pushing up. Great for PMPY, right? And the reason behind that is that right now, that is the hype. That coin is the hype. But is it gonna last long term, right? I don't know much about this project. I'm not knocking it. All right, look, I'll even put it in my watch list, okay? But yeah, it's that's beautiful. But eventually, it will come back down and correct this whole move, just like Pepe did. Pepe, it's all about the hype. What's popping right now? What are people getting into? That's why there's so much volume in it. I mean, how many? Really, it's not even much buys going on. It's 35 buys, right? But it's possibly about the amount that they're putting in, and it's such a low market cap, and it's so cheap. Okay. Eventually, guys, things come down. Okay. Eventually, things come down, and retrace and correct itself. Okay. But no, man. Listen, Vote did that. Vote had its run up, right? And unfortunately, we are where we are right now, right? We're not happy about it, but it's making moves. Vote is making moves. Whether you want to believe it or not or see it, Vote is definitely making moves. These are things that are going to happen, okay, guys? Now, let's get back to the technical analysis part, right? Let's see how price reacts here, okay? As of right now, it looks like it's going to continue pushing down. Definitely, if we get a close below this box, okay, we can see price pushing down a little bit more. How far is it going to go? We don't know, all right? We definitely don't know. That's the thing about crypto, that you just don't know with PMPY. We don't know how much longer it's going to push up. Same with Pepe. A lot of people did not get into Pepe, okay? I'll say it, including me. I didn't get into Pepe. I hesitated because I'm like, man, eventually people are going to sell off. People are going to want to cash out. You know what I'm saying? And if it's pumping, you don't want to buy at the top. You want to wait for some type of retracement, okay? So this is healthy, y'all. All right, this is a nice downtrend back to these levels here where price rejected for weeks on end. Okay, I've said this before. That's why this box is right here. That's why this other box is here, to show that Vote was ranging, was consolidating, and then it finally broke out. This is a level that we held strong at 2145. Okay, so guys, don't lose faith in this project. All right. There's not much really we can say at this point except that price keeps rejecting that 2800 level, 2805. Okay, if you notice, price tries to break through it again and rejects. Now it's got another daily candle that's forming pretty bearish. Okay, but let's see. You never know what could happen. It could reject around here, and then all of a sudden we're pushing back up. We don't know. I'm giving you multiple scenarios, but expect the worst, right? Worst case, meaning that we can push down a little bit more. But at this point, guys, you always want to dollar cost average if you are thinking of putting in more into Vote, right? You put little here, little here, little here. Don't put a whole bunch and then see your money drop and freak out, okay? So not much really to see right now with Vote, okay? In the sense of data, all right? I will definitely keep you posted, okay? What I really was doing this video for was Bitcoin, y'all, all right? So I said videos ago that I felt that Bitcoin was gonna hit 40 grand. Boy, has this surpassed that, okay? But I also did say in my last video, we could possibly even see Bitcoin hit 46,000. And it looks like that's where it's headed, right? And the reason that I say that it could hit 46,000 is because since it blasted right through this consolidation area, then the next major zone, which there was support turned into resistance, right, would be right around this level here, okay, 45,000, 46,000, where you see all these rejections here, 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 but also we have some consolidation right up in here, and price hung around this area for quite a while, right? And this is the daily time frame. So we could possibly see Bitcoin hit 46 grand and then maybe see a reaction. I could be wrong. You see what I'm saying? I honestly thought, and this is me being a buck with y'all, I really thought we was going to reject at 40,000, but price broke through, okay? You just never know. But eventually, guys, Bitcoin is going to have to pull down a bit and retrace. There's going to have to be a retracement, okay? So, but for the time being, let's enjoy the pump. You know what I'm saying? For those of you invested in Bitcoin, or for those of you invested in Ethereum, we're going to look at Ethereum real quick. Okay? What did I say, guys? I predicted that Ethereum was going to hit about 2,300 before it rejected, or before there was some type of price reaction, right? Even 2,350, we could even see it hit 2,350, okay? And let me tell you something. It broke out of this ascending triangle, and boy, has it been pumping, right? But let me just pull this down, and then I'll set it back. But if you could tell, it hit 23.11. Okay, so if you look right here, it hit 23.11. Okay, and let's see, can it surpass that to 23.50 next? You know, that would be dope, man. That if crypto could keep on pushing up, Ethereum push up, everything else push up, right? That'd be nice. Guys, it's you know, I've said this before. Yeah, most of us don't have the money like these other investors do to hold long term, right? But and to each his own. You take your profit, you take your profit. That is what it is, right? But for a project like Vote, at the level that it's at, 300, 320, I mean $280, $300, $280, $300, you can get you a billion Vote token. That can take you a long way once Vote really starts pushing up, the whole market really starts pushing up, the bull run kicks in fully. I'm just saying, y'all, not financial advice, okay? But you know, we'll go back to Ethereum real quick. Guys, it's definitely heading its way up, it looks like, okay? Let's see, you know, this is the new daily candle. We'll look at the 4 hour. I don't really like looking at the 4 hour, but you know, we could possibly see a little pullback back down here to 22.50. So remember how I told you guys the market likes to hit round psychological numbers: 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, right? 22.50. What happened over here? It rejected right around here quite a bit, right? Before it broke back out of that area. Okay, so we could possibly see Ethereum hit 23.50 and then see a price reaction. Okay, Bitcoin is definitely moving a little bit stronger than Ethereum is. Okay, I mean Bitcoin is on the move, man. And now who knows? See, this is the 4 hour time frame. Okay, we could possibly see a pullback here as well. Now let me show you again. Right around 42,000, price hesitated, right? But it did break out of that. Okay. But just to show you guys, all right. So that's why when I say 46,000 or 46,500, 46,250, 45,000, we could, you know, we will see how price reacts at those levels. So for right now, guys, is all I have for you. I'm gonna keep it short as possible, even though I probably spoke a lot. But yeah, man, listen. If you're in Vote, do what you do, man. All right, don't, you know. Okay, and look, the new candle formed for the day. All right, so this candle closed somewhat bearish, but let's see. Let's see. We need it to close below this box. I would like to see. I would like to see it push up. But what I'm saying is, to get more confirmation for you guys, I would like to, if the price is going to continue pushing down, I would like it needs to close below this box for it to really show stronger momentum down, right? With that said, y'all, if y'all enjoy my technical analysis, if y'all enjoy my videos, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. All right, let's see what happens. All right, more later, guys. Peace.